The number you have dialed has been changed. The new
Just
number
because
is...
you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. Why should I take you back? Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. I wish you could understand. Just because you're sorry. Just because. You said all the words that you could have said. I'm still trying to figure out the ones you meant. Should I take a chance or will I regret this? Yeah. Will I regret it? Text messages still floating around in my head. You said that you changed, yeah, but I'm doubting. Now I'm not that sorry leaving you on red, yeah. Oh, snap. And now my heart is broken into two. I have half, but the other one is still with you. And I wish I could get it back, yeah. But I don't wanna text you that, no. Even though it's over now. I thought that I'd be stressed out, yeah. But I've been doing just fine, so please don't waste my time.